Please sit. Please sit. Please. Rule number. Rule number, Derek ji.
The rule number is 258. Yes. I've been trying to bring your attention from the morning. You are not allowing me a point of order. This is a new rule, sir. 258.
258.
Yes. In the morning also, I tried to bring this another rule to your attention.
I've already clarified
sir,
morning
things.
Please speak on the rule.
258.
Yes.
When I want to raise a point of order, you cannot lay any conditions on me. It is my right to raise a point of order. Please read the rule.
It's also
with me. You read the
rule.
You
also read the rule. Chair has got the power to accept or not.
Chair has got the power to even say, yes, sir, I agree with you. Sir, I agree with you. I agree. The chair also has the power to say, I'm wearing a black suit. And I will say, yes, sir, I'm wearing a black suit. Because you are in the chair, I respect you. So I'm not arguing with you. You have the power to say, I'm wearing a black suit. Sir, look at this point of order. No, sir. Sir, here is the point of order. You read with me. You read with me. Let us have a... Sir, the opposition can have a rational discussion with you. We hope we can.
Please,
right, sir. Now look at this point of order because, any member may at any time submit a point of order for the decision of the chairman, but in doing so shall confine himself to stating the point. And after that, the chairman shall decide. My limited point is, with this 258A, you have every right, sir, to pass judgment on my point of order, but I have a right as a member to raise a point of order at any time. So please do not lay a condition down. Go back to your chair.
Let me now clarify.
Yes, sir,
please take your seat. Please take your seat.
No, sir.
Please take your seat. You have to put your point of order. Yes, please. This is a very clear provision कि House disorder में point of order will not be accepted. This is also clear. Number one. House disorder में होगा मैं नहीं कर सकता.
Yes, sir. Come to Rule 259 then. And debate will continue. Yes. Please come to Rule 259. 1 minute. Come to Rule 259, sir. Very respectfully. Let me read the rule, then you pass your judgment. Sir, let me read the rule.
Yes.
Chairman to preserve order. Chairman to preserve order in the House. Sir, it is your prerogative. You are sitting in the chair. You will preserve. It is not my business to preserve.
Right.
Sir, 1 second.
Right.
The chairman, no. The chairman shall preserve order. The chairman shall preserve order. Vagera, vagera.
Please. No, don't disrupt.
The chairman shall preserve order and have all powers necessary for the purpose of enforcing his decisions.
Right. Please. अब आप बैठ जाए, please, Mr. Derek.
So my limit.
Yes, sir. You have whatever. माने please, no, please बैठ. माननीय सदस्यगण, माननीय डेरिक जी ने जो बड़े वरिष्ठ मेंबर हैं, इन्होंने पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठाया कि चेयर की जिम्मेदारी है कि वो हाउस को व्यवस्थित रखें. माननीय सदस्यों से क्या जिम्मेदारी है, उनके टिकट्स और बिहेव क्या है. आई वुड लाइक टू रिपीट द रूल नंबर 238. रूल्स ऑफ टू बी ऑब्जर्व्ड व्हाइल speaking. A member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact which is judicial decision is pending, make a personal charge against a member, use offensive expressions about the conduct or proceedings of the House or any state legislature, reflect on any determination of the council except a motion of this kind. मैं पढ़ना नहीं चाहता कि आपसे एटिकेट की क्या अपेक्षा की गई है. वेल में नहीं होंगे, स्लोगन शाउटिंग नहीं करेंगे. लगातार माननीय चेयरमैन कहते रहे, आज सुबह भी उन्होंने कहा प्ले कार्ड लेकर आप आते हैं, डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, दूसरों का हाउस नहीं चलने देना चाहते हैं, जो बोलना चाहते हैं उनको बोलने नहीं देते. इसलिए बहुत क्लियर इस बारे में रूल्स हैं. नो, आई एम नॉट एंटरिंग इन डिबेट नाउ. नो, आई एम नॉट एंटरिंग इन डिबेट नाउ. नो डिबेट. I'll give him opportunity. I will give him. I have made it clear. Subject. You cannot dictate the chair. मैं अगर आप सब्जेक्ट पर बोलेंगे पुनः दोबारा मौका दूंगा. विकास जी, अगर आप सब्जेक्ट पर बोलेंगे मौका दूंगा. प्लीज.
उपसभापति महोदय,
प्लीज.
हम जिस मुकाम पर हैं संसदीय जनतंत्र के, उस मुकाम पर हाउस ऑफ एल्डर्स में अपेक्षा की जाती है कि राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा और संप्रभुता के मामले में सामान्य जो विभाजन की रेखाएं होती हैं उससे ऊपर उठकर हम विमर्श करें और राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा
वेल में ना आए. अदरवाइज आई हैव टू नेम. आई एम ऑलरेडी, आई हैव रिक्वेस्टेड यू सेवरल टाइम्स. मैंने बार आप सबको निवेदन किया है, सुबह में कहा है कि अनप्रेजेंट टास्क चेयर को ना दें. प्लीज रिक्वेस्टिंग यू, आप प्ले कार्ड लेकर के वेल में आना, डिस्टर्ब करना मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। आप प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स, प्लीज गो बैक। प्ले कार्ड लेकर के आना। I have no option, माननीय members. Again, honorable members, please do not come in the well of the house and shout slogans. It is against the well-established parliamentary customs and conventions. I request you to please go back to your seats and allow the house to function. If you continue to disrupt the proceedings of the house, I will have to invoke Rule 256 and name you. I am repeating. I am telling you, please go back to your seats. Please go back. Please go back. Please go back. Please go back. Since you are continuously disrupting the proceedings of the house and not listening to the orders of the chair, I am forced to name you. I am forced to name you. Name. सुष्मिता देव जी, मौसम नूर जी, डोला सेन जी, शांता छेत्री जी, शांतनु सेन जी, रंजन विश्वास जी, नदीमुल हक जी, आप लोग वेल से जाएं, अपनी सीट पर जाएं। पुनः मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं, प्लीज अपनी सीट पर जाएं। आप नहीं जा रहे हैं।
नाम दे दो।
Please go back to your seats. Please वेल में ना आए। प्लीज कोई और बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है। मैं आपको स्पष्ट कर चुका हूं। प्लीज, I've already named, प्लीज सीट पर गए। Mr. M.M. Abdullah, Mr. L. Yadav, Mr. Ram, please go back to your seats. Please. रहीम, से रहीम, HB, M. सोमू, S. कल्याण समुखम, B. लिंगैया यादव, please go back to your seats. Please go back. Otherwise, I have no option. Move the motion. Move the motion.
Sir, with your permission, I move the following motion that this House, having taken a serious note of the misconduct of Mohammad Nadimul Haq, Ms. Dola Sen, Srimati Shanta Chetri, Shri Abir Ranjan Vishwas, Dr. Shantanu Sen, Srimati Mausam Noor, Ms. Sushmita Dev, Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah, Kanimudi NVN Somu, A. Rahim, by showing utter disregard to the House and the authority of the Chair, and having been named by the Chair, resolved that the above mentioned members be suspended from the service of the Council for the remainder of the current week under Rule 256.
The question is that the House had taken a serious note of the misconduct of the Sushmita Sen ji, Mausam Dev ji, Sushmita Dev ji, Mausam Noor ji, Santa Chhetri ji, Dola Sen ji, Santanu Sen ji, A.R. जी, नदीमुल हक जी, M.M. अब्दुल्ला जी, L. यादव जी, A. रहीम, बद्रीराजू, कलम जी, गिरिराजन. Please, who have entered the N.R. Elango, V. Sivdasan, M. Sammukham, Damodar Santosh Kumar P, who have entered the veil of the House and have been continuously shouting slogans, thereby disrupting the proceedings of the House in utter disregard to the authority of the Chair, and having been named by the Chair, resolves that the above mentioned members, that is, mentioned to be suspended from the services of the Council for the remainder of this week under the Rule 256. No amendment, adjournment or debate is allowed under Rule 256. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The ayes. Please go back to your seats. I am ready to give division. माननीय सदस्यगण, मैं डिवीजन देने को तैयार हूं. डिवीजन का जो नियम है कि सारे सदस्य अपनी सीट पर जाए तभी डिवीजन संभव. दिस इज नॉट माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आप डिवीजन चाहते हो तो अपनी सीट पर जाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आप सिर्फ डिवीजन की मांग कर रहे हैं. प्लीज, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स. इफ यू गो टू योर सीट्स, आई एम रेडी टू गिव डिवीजन. Going on record, no point of order during. आप लोग अगर वापस नहीं जाएंगे अपनी सीट पर तो मैं मोशन एडॉप्ट करूंगा. अगर आप सीरियस हैं वोटिंग के बारे में, अपनी सीट पर जाइए, मैं वोटिंग के लिए तैयार हूं. प्लीज, नो, इसका मतलब आप वोटिंग नहीं चाहते. प्लीज लेट इट गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड. अगर आप वोटिंग चाहते हैं तो अपनी सीट से जाइए. हाउस ऑर्डर में होना चाहिए, आप सब जानते हैं. हाउस अगर ऑर्डर में होगा तभी डिवीजन संभव है, अदरवाइज डिवीजन संभव नहीं है. वॉइस वोट से पास होगा. Yes, voice vote is also what? Please.